Hi, and welcome to 16140 Matilija Drive, located in Los Gatos.
This distinguished location is known for beautiful custom estates. Having the best of both worlds, you're right between Los Gatos and Saratoga, and enjoying Saratoga schools.
The sprawling single-story estate sits on over an acre, with over 7,200 square feet of impeccably designed interior living space. Exquisite finishes and smart home technologies are showcased throughout.
The main house features 6 ensuite bedrooms with an executive office and 2 powder baths, one located on each wing. There's also a finished basement with a wine cellar, media room, and full bath. You'll love the grand living areas with large picture windows, skylights, and custom woodwork.
But the luxury does not stop there. Outdoor, beautiful patios and landscapes surround a gorgeous pool and spa. Escape the sun under the pergola, and there's also a pool house with a full kitchen, changing room, and bath. For family fun, enjoy the separate bocce ball and horseshoe courts.
Enjoy the tour. This is such a special property.
It is incredibly rare to find a single story with this much space in such a premium neighborhood, let alone so well designed and beautifully updated.
Your own private and quiet oasis, yet convenient access to local freeways, Silicon Valley tech giants, Los Gatos and Saratoga downtowns, and the beautiful Villa Montalvo Estate and Art Center in your own backyard.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to scheduling a private tour with you.
Until next time.